I've done a Facebook Live in probably at least a month. So, hi, welcome. It's been a long time. This week's podcast is about what the 2019 Word of the Year says about our planet. So, last year, my friend Liz and I did a Word of the Year in 2018, and now we've done it for 2019. And as I was thinking about it, I was like, okay, so it's really great to look back and talk about it because anything that was trending or popular, the most talked about word in 2019 is likely to carry over into 2020. And I think that was true with the 2018 word, and now I think it's definitely true for 2019. But then I was thinking about that in terms of all of us. So it's helpful to look back, but in terms of, our lives and our businesses, we need to look ahead. And so my question for all of you is, what is your word for 2020? I know a lot of people who come up with a word or a phrase that is their kind of call to action for themselves for the next year. And I am no different. In fact, last night I was posting on kind of a special friend-only social media space that I've created for myself. And I realized that in just having created a space for people who I've known for a decade or more, that was actually a lot of what I have been doing in preparation for 2020. And I think that it's going to continue throughout the year, which is making space for time and freedom to do what I want, making space for friends, making space for exercise, making space for all of the different loves and things that I want to do, in addition to my business. I love my business. I love everything that I'm doing. But I also acknowledge that in order to meet the goals that we set, in order to achieve the next level of success, there needs to be more, dare I say, balance, even though work-life balance has increasingly become a myth. But there needs to be more balance. There needs to be more time out there that you're just dedicating to the things that you love, dedicating to joy. So that's my question for you on this Tuesday morning is, what is it that what is your theme for this year? What is the word that is guiding you forward? If you could hit me up in the comments, that would be great. And be sure to listen to this week's podcast. It's really great. I love tying in kind of the culture and the fabric of this world that we live in, and then how it shows up in our businesses as well. And like I said in the intro, my friend Liz is so dear and so wonderful. And whenever we're on the show, it's kind of funny and fun and always thought-provoking. So please check out Women Conquer Business podcast, available everywhere. And I will be posting a link here shortly to make sure that you can get access to it. So happy Tuesday, have a great day, and I look forward to seeing what your words of the year are. All right, bye.